We are looking at how to pronounce this word that designates the gesture one makes as a special honor or a sign of respect shown publicly. It could be a ceremony, a speech, or else to pay tribute to something or often to someone or a group of people. So how do you go about pronouncing it? There's essentially 3 different ways. The British pronunciation is something like homage, 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 while the American pronunciation does not deliver the H sound quite as much. Homage, homage, homage. But of course the word originally comes from French, and in France it's said homage. This is why you will hear people even in English saying homage, as it can essentially be said homage, homage, or homage. Homage. As an homage to this video, give it a quick thumb up before you go. Why not? I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Au revoir. Cheers.